Ever wondered about buying a home without handing over a single cent? Does it seem too good to be true? Home ownership, a dream that lives in many hearts, often feels like a distant mirage, a dream that promises security, peace, and a sense of accomplishment. Yet for some, this dream seems out of focus due to the towering hurdles that stand in the way. The most daunting is the hefty down payment often needed to secure a mortgage. It can be particularly daunting for those buying for the first time. This large sum, usually ranging from 3 to 20% of the home's purchase price, can deter potential homeowners. But what if I told you that there are ways to become a homeowner without putting any money down? Yes, you heard right. There are routes to home ownership that require a zero down payment. It may sound like a fairy tale, but it's reality for many homeowners today. These unconventional methods offer a chance for individuals and families to step onto the property ladder without a large initial investment. They make home ownership possible, turning a distant dream into a tangible reality. In this video, we'll delve into these methods, showcasing the varied paths open to potential homeowners. We'll explore the rural haven of USDA loans, the gratitude extended to our veterans through VA loans, and the potential influence of negotiations through seller incentives. Each of these methods offers unique benefits, and understanding how they work can be a game changer for those hoping to own a home. It's about empowering yourself with knowledge, identifying your options, and taking that bold step towards achieving your dream. Yes, it's achievable, and today we're going to examine some of the techniques that allow you to become a homeowner without a down payment. So remember, I'm here to help you navigate your real estate needs, because home ownership might be closer than you think. Let's dive into the world of zero down payment home buying. For those considering a home in a rural area, USDA loans might just be your ticket to home ownership. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly are USDA loans? Well, USDA loans, also known as Rural Development Guaranteed Housing Loans, are mortgages that are backed by the United States Department of Agriculture. They're specifically designed to support homebuyers who wish to live in rural and some suburban areas. The beauty of USDA loans lies in their benefits. One of the most enticing advantages is the ability to finance up to 100% of the property value. That's right, no down payment is required, making it a great choice for first-time homebuyers or those without a substantial amount of savings. But that's not all. USDA loans also typically come with lower interest rates and less stringent credit requirements. It's important to note, however, that there are some eligibility requirements. For example, the property must be located in an eligible rural area as defined by the USDA. Additionally, there are income limits that vary by region, and your monthly mortgage payments, including taxes and insurance, generally must be 29% or less of your monthly income. So, if you're dreaming of owning a home surrounded by wide open spaces, far from the hustle and bustle of city life, consider this. A USDA loan could be the key to unlocking that dream. So, if you're thinking of living in a rural setting, USDA loans can be your pathway to owning that dream home. If you're a veteran, active duty service member, or a surviving spouse, VA loans can be your route to home ownership. VA loans are a special type of home loan guaranteed by the Department of Veterans Affairs. They're designed to offer long-term financing to eligible American veterans or their surviving spouses. But what sets VA loans apart? Let's dive in. Firstly, VA loans offer 100% financing. Yes, you heard me right. This means you can buy a home with zero down payment, a feature that's a rarity in the home loan market. This can be a game changer for many service members who, due to the nature of their work, might not have had the opportunity to save for a substantial down payment. Secondly, VA loans have more lenient credit requirements compared to traditional loans. This means that even if your credit history isn't perfect, you may still qualify for a VA loan. But who's eligible? Well, VA loans are available to veterans, active duty service members, and certain categories of National Guard and Reserve members. Surviving spouses of service members who died while on active duty or as a result of a service-related disability might also be eligible. So if you've served our country, the country wants to serve you back. It's a way to say thank you for your sacrifice, your dedication, and your service. In appreciation for your service, VA loans can make your dream of home ownership a reality. Sometimes the key to home ownership lies in negotiating with the seller. Now, you may be wondering, how does this work? Well, consider seller incentives. These are perks that the seller offers to make the deal more attractive. They can range from seller financing, where the seller essentially becomes your lender, to closing cost assistance, which can significantly reduce your out-of-pocket expenses. Seller financing is a great option if traditional lenders have turned you down. Here, the seller agrees to let you pay the purchase price over time, reducing or even eliminating the need for a down payment. On the other hand, closing cost assistance can cover a variety of fees, like appraisal costs, title insurance, and more. These incentives can make a huge difference in your home buying journey. The art of negotiation is all about finding common ground and creating a win-win situation. With the right negotiation skills and a willing seller, you can own a home with little to no money down. Navigating the home buying process can be daunting, and that's where an educated realtor comes in. Picture this: a seasoned guide with a wealth of knowledge and experience, ready to steer you through the twists and turns of home buying. Your realtor isn't just a salesperson, they're your advocate, fighting in your corner to secure the best possible deal for you. Understanding the nuances of USDA loans, VA loans, seller incentives, and other zero down payment options can be perplexing. But with a realtor by your side, these concepts become less intimidating. They're there to explain these options, how they work, and how they can be utilized to your advantage. Buying a home is more than just a transaction. It's a journey, a significant chapter in your life. And every journey benefits from a knowledgeable guide. Armed with an educated realtor, your journey to home ownership can be a smooth and rewarding experience. Are you ready to embark on your journey to home ownership? If so, allow me to introduce myself. I am Jasmine, your preferred Houston realtor. My purpose is not just to sell you a house. No, my goal is to guide you every step of the way, ensuring your journey is as smooth and stress-free as possible. I understand the intricacies of home buying, from USDA loans to VA loans, seller incentives, and zero down payment options. Rest assured, with me by your side, these concepts will become less intimidating and more of a tool to secure the best possible deal for you. Homeownership is not just a dream. It's a goal that can be achieved with the right guidance and support. And that's exactly what I'm here to provide. So if you're ready to make your dream a reality, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm just a phone call or an email away. Remember, buying a home is not just a transaction, it's a significant chapter in your life. And every chapter deserves a great beginning. Let's make your dream of home ownership a reality together. I am Jasmine, your ally in home ownership, here to serve and guide you. Your journey to a new home starts here.